What's one question you can never say yes to?
To your mother if you should ask if you have sex.
Wagwan people, you don't know your boy Jnel and welcome back to our next episode of the questions. And people right now there in a crossroad, one of the hotspot them. So you don't know, I have to visit one of the hotspot them in the car. You know the hotspot, you see me, I'm not on the Wi-Fi, so I forgot the hotspot. I joke, I have Wi-Fi. You see me, but episode 1, people, episode 1 gone. I like how the people them like up the video. You see me, I like how them share it. I like how they on number 9 pan trending, then go to number 8, then go back to number 9. People really appreciate it. But right now, I kinda look discomfort because you know I have some little back pain. You see me, so even though I have that regardless, I still forward on the streets and make sure say yo, I do the video. You understand? Because I promise you no say I not disappear. I am not a magician. I not disappear. So people, hit the like button. I not stop telling you, hit the like button. You see me? So you don't know your boy Jnel. I don't know I can, but look run up and down today cause you know. Yeah, but I'm out. One.
Hit me up.
Aye.
Catch him up.
Aye. 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 Alright, my boss. First thing I do, you don't know, just give me a name.
You don't know, I knock off them car me on the street, you see me?
Knock off?
Yeah.
How you get that name then?
Okay, so I said I'm a knock off, you see me?
Yeah.
Them brand them the real. Be a knock off shoes that about wear that go out like them real, you see me?
Shania.
Davia, you can call me D. Check me on Instagram and Slay Queen Davia with an X.
Fire Buhn.
Fire?
Buhn, B-U-N. But fire, F-I-R-E, B-U-n. Buhn.
Stand down, man.
Yeah.
Spark Squiff.
Cookie.
Cookie.
Yeah.
Where you get that name then?
Cam can cook.
Oh, Mark and Tony Marshall.
A Prince, me name, you know. Yeah, then call me Little Prince still, you know. Yeah. Well, me have a new song for come still, but me not too way yet. But you know, yeah, me I work on it. Name the girl them, you know. You don't know. Them love the full. The girl them I get the full package, you know. Yeah, but the man don't get no full package. The man does way, but the girl them I get the full package. It's me I deal with, yeah. She sit on it back at the full package, you know, the soap drop at the full package, put over shoulder at the full package. So she said, put down more. That in at the package, then a girl ball out. That not in at the package, the next girl ball out, that in at the package. Rasta on them pork, rasta on them sachets. Yeah. Full package.
Yeah, I mean name Sasha, so you don't know. Pick up original Jnel show, you know the thing go to the world. You see me I deal it, so you don't know. You have a new star, I'm calling him, catch him up. I'm just going to piece now, some more to keep it real.
Tabisha.
Answer.
Yeah.
Not nice.
Not nice. Yeah, man, for you see them on your face, you know, say them on their name not nice, you know. What's always in front of you, but can't be seen.
Come like when you come for bust my braids, man. In front, but you can't see it. No.
Always in front of me and can be seen. No, sir. I'm a shadow. I'm a spirit. I don't know.
Always in front me, but can't be seen. But the thing will come in front of me seen. It always in front me, but can't be seen.
What's always in front of me can't be seen. I Jamaica people I hear that. You know, sir, firm and stick. Never see my stick. Firm and stick. You know, you never see my stick. You know what that mean already, Jamaica? Can I hear that?
What that mean?
That the answer you mean by? You know what I'm saying? My could have caught a lot of other things still, but you can't never see me stick.
Channel style, words and breeze.
Always be front, yo. Your life? Your life?
The future.
Sure.
Positive. And I'm
Sure.
But I change my answer, yes, for sure.
Your future. Yeah. Future.
But always in front me.
But can't be seen.
Always. The breeze. The breeze. Me know what now is dopey.
Oh, chest. I can't breathe. Oh, shit, my chest is going. What in front here? I can't be seen. They must dopey, man. Go us. Alright. Alright. Me wait. Go us.
Right, next one, right? I have a neck, but no head. Arms, but no hand. What am I?
Repeat again, my G.
I have a neck, but no head. Arms, but no hand. What am I?
You take a wrap it there now. Yeah.
I have a neck, right? But no head. Arms, but no hand. What am I?
No head.
I will have chicken neck, you call it.
Oh, brother. Bicycle have neck and it have arm. And a chicken that in a head. Bicycle have head. This is a bicycle.
I can't believe somebody come on TV come shave his help. Let me see now. Say it again.
I have a neck, but no head. Arms, but no hand. What am I? Yeah.
Neck with no arm, really. I can't answer one question. Arms also.
Hold on, man. Hold on. You say no, neck.
But no head.
And me not have no neck. Me not have no. So wait there. Oh, me fi have neck if me not have no head, brother.
A nigga? Me don't know.
I have a neck, you know.
Yeah.
But no head.
But you have a neck.
Arms, yeah. Arms, but no hand. What am I?
Well, I call upon that again because you say you have a neck but no arms.
I have a neck, you know, but no head.
But no
Arms,
head.
yeah, arms, but no hand. What am I?
But it can be anything, you know. Me don't know that one still.
A alien?
I have a neck, but no head. Arms, but no hand. What am I?
Dolphin. No, God! I tell you, I don't fully other one the suffer still. But for me, me not go job catch. Not go job catch for real. Yeah. Me not have to really answer for that one still.
John, no, you have me in my puzzle box in my GS. Last year I know, but you can't figure that out, but that.
T-shirt.
T-shirt?
Yeah.
Sure.
Positive.
I have a neck, but no head. Arms, but no hand. What am I?
Clock. No, wrong. Sorry.
Alright, hear the question, alright? What's one question you can never say yes to?
You know, me kill a man. Me not gonna tell the judge they're guilty with the explanation.
One question I can never say yes to. How about the that is? I don't know what to answer say.
One question we can never say yes to. Not that hard, you know, brother. One
Think about
question,
it.
I mean, I think about it. But, boy, oh, yeah, me get it now. One question me that never answer to. Yeah, man. Yeah, me get a one, you know. Me would have never this son of boy can't answer question there.
What?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Well, enough question I can't say yes to. Because if a man come and say I want to kill you, you're not going to say yes to it. If a girl come and say for bow with her, you're not going to say yes to that. If I want to come get dirty water for drink, you're not going to say yes to that. So certain things you're not going to say yes to.
Yeah.
If I come straight and they say yes.
Yeah.
You understand me? Yeah.
What's one question you can never say yes to? What do you mean?
You want me to come out to it, right?
Yeah, man, what's one question you can never say yes to? One question you can't say yes to.
We'll never love a man.
Well, ever done. There's a lot amount of questions you can yes, but depends on how you're going to say yes. You see me, I did it. So listen good before you can answer a question before you can say yes or can say no. I'm not so sure when you can tell us say yes or for anything so sure, but my yes, you have to get some of that. You see it.
Michika, what I can't say yes to? I can't, no boy can't put on my water. I can't say that. But I know what I'm going to say. But I know that I'm not going to say yes to. Yeah. That's the truth.
One question you can never say yes to. You have more than one question you can't say yes to still, you know, but that one day I feel big yes still. I not say yes to that still.
We're going to kill nobody. Straight up. Can't say yes to that question because life you are dealing with. You hear that?
Yes. May I overthink that one, yeah? Pass.
You say pass?
No, that one, yeah.
You see one answer?
Yeah.
The answer, are you dead?
Oh.
What's one question you can never say yes to?
To your mother if you should ask if you have sex. Repeat the question.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of The Question, which is episode 2, and you don't know they're in a crossroad. So watch you know, follow me on Instagram, JNLofficial_1. Follow Buhn too, BUHN_reaction. You don't know Buhn have him YouTube channel now, so more all I want to go subscribe right now. All I want to go over there right now and just hit the subscribe button. You don't know, leave a comment. You see me, you don't know they're in a crossroad. Remember to hit the like button. The last video, trust me, I love how it go on. You see me? So make sure you hit the like button. So people, you don't know your boy Jnel, and I'm out. Jnel, where we go? Half a tree? Yeah. Half a tree? Half a tree, Mago. Think of constant spring. You're not moving now? Alright, peeps. Him not moving now, but me I'm moving now. Big up on yourself, peeps. You don't know my boy Jnel, and I'm out. Whoa, hold on there.